welcome back to another new video. In today's video, I am going to solve Kth Smallest, and today's problem of the day is very much common. You can see many more companies interview ask this question: VMware, Apple, Amazon, Microsoft, Snapdragon, Hike, Adobe, Google. Many well-known popular companies ask this type of question. So before starting today's video, please like and share, and if you are new, please subscribe. And in this video, first we explain the problem statement, then we explain how can we solve this problem using examples, then we explain the approach, easy approach and complexity also, then we write down the code. Okay. So before starting today's video, please like and share, and if you are new, please subscribe. Go to problem statement. In problem statement, you have given an array and you have given an integer k, and k is the smaller than the size of the array. Fine. And what is your task? Your task is to find the k smallest element in the given array. And it is given that all array elements are distinct. Distinct means all array elements will arrive at once. Okay, only one time it will arrive. There is no duplication. Okay, fine. Now go to whiteboard. Let's try to understand through example. First, this is our given array. Okay, this is all our array elements, and we have to find third smallest element in the given array. Third smallest element. Now, question is how can we find? First, you can do first sort the array in descending order, or you can comparing each element with count sorting. Using count sorting, you can find the smallest. Now let's say like if we sort these elements, like sort, it is unsorted order. You can see if we sort from descending order means from small to large, sorry, ascending order from small to large. Okay, then it will be like this, which is the smallest. You can see in these 3 is the smallest. Okay, fine. Now write down 3, then 4. Okay, write down 4, and then 7. Write down 7, and then 10, 10, and then 15 and 20. 15 and 20. Okay, and now we'll count in the array elements using count sort algorithm, and we count. First, we now we'll take a pointer. Our pointer is now in this position. Okay, and it will check is 3. There is any other elements which is greater than less than 3. It will check. Okay, it will check, and it will compare also next element. Is it smaller than next element or not? It will check to the next element. 3 is smaller than 4. Yes. So write down it will be 3. Now in this example, just simply no need to complexity. Just you can see we have sorted in, because we have sorted in small to large, and you can see 3 is the smaller. Okay, so our first smaller element is 3, and second smaller element is 4. Second smaller element is 4, and our goal is to find the third position smaller element, because k is the smaller element they have said. So our third position smaller element is 7. Is 7. 7. So in output it will show 7. It is one type of method you can using this sorting function, or you can another just comparing each of elements, and it is greater than or equal, it will compare to each other all elements, then it will store into the new array. Okay, store into the new array. Like this is also stored into the new array. It will store into the new array like this. Okay, that's it. Now go to next example. In next example, given input array is 7, 10, 4, 20, 15. Okay, fine. We have to find the fourth position smallest number. We have to find fourth position smallest number. Okay, first we will check which is smaller element in this. Just check. In this, you can see 4 is the smaller element in this array. So first smaller element is 4, and second smaller element you can see there are only 1, 7. Okay, second is 7, down 7. and third one is 10, third one is 10, and fourth small element 15, 15, and last one 20. Okay, we have just sorted our input array, and it will, after sorting, it will create a new array. Okay, and I have created just like from small to large ascending order, and in this we can easily find our smallest element with k position element, and our we have to find in output we have to show four position smallest number. So in this sorted, updated sorted array, you can see fourth position smallest number. What is this? Is first position, this is second position, this is third position, this is fourth position. So fourth position smallest number is this, this one. Okay, this one. So in output it will show 15. 15. That's it. Now go to approach. In approach, we will basically what we apply. We will apply the counting sort. And what is counting sort? Counting sort basically it is a linear time of sorting algorithm, and it will count the occurrences of each element in array and uses this information to determine the sorted order. And the idea behind of using counting sort to find the k smallest element in the counting phase, and it is essentially calculate the cumulative frequencies of elements, and by tracking these cumulative frequencies we can efficiently determine the k smallest element. Okay, and this approach is particularly very much common and useful. The range of elements is small because we are declaring the array size maximum element. So for this it will very efficient, and if the range of elements is large, then we will counting the sort approach may not be efficient in that case if range is large. Okay, in Spondylus, it is this approach is efficient counting sort. Now, what is the time complexity of this? Time complexity of this O of n plus maximum element, and space complexity O of maximum element. Okay, here n is the number of the elements, number of the elements in the given array, and where max element is the maximum element of the array. Okay, now go to code. First, what we create. First, basically, what we first we initialize a variable to store is equals to store is like make this initialize to 0, and then we create a set to store unique element in the array. So for this, we will we will initialize a variable unique element elements elements is equal. We create this unique element to create a set to store the array elements. Okay, and unique elements in there. Then what we do? Then we add all the elements in the array to the set. So for that, we create a for loop for I in array in given array unique unique elements, the all array elements. Okay, the set. So from that we create unique elements. We add the value of the array dot I. Okay, and after that, what I do is I to 0. Then we initialize I to 0. Okay. Then we iterate through the numbers starting from 0 until we find the k element. Basically, what we do just we will traverse from 0 to n minus 1, 0 to n minus 1 until we find the or kth element. Okay, with element. So for that we will create I equals to 0 and condition is while while k value is less than 0. Variable is greater than 0, variable is greater than 0, and if I in unit unit elements, then k will decrement if this is one of the smallest elements. So for that we will decrement the k and decrement k. And then we move to the next number. So for that I will increment, go to next number, I increment, and after that just simply we return the kth position smallest number. So that will be I minus 1. Okay, I minus 1. And here we support, and now compile and run. Okay, now submit. Okay, response all the cases. And we solve today's problem. Also, today's video is helpful to you. See you next video. See you later. Bye bye.